Bankruptcy is often seen as a last resort for individuals or businesses struggling with overwhelming debt, but in some cases, it can be a necessary step toward financial recovery. Deciding whether bankruptcy is the right choice depends on various factors, including the amount of debt, income, and assets involved. We'll explore the circumstances under which bankruptcy might be the best option, the different types of bankruptcy, and the long-term implications of filing for bankruptcy. Understanding these aspects will help you make an informed decision about whether bankruptcy is the right path to take. Today, we will talk about, is bankruptcy ever the right choice? So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Understanding bankruptcy. What it means. Bankruptcy is a legal process designed to help individuals and businesses get relief from insurmountable debt. When you file for bankruptcy, you essentially seek legal protection from creditors, and your debts are either discharged or reorganized in a manageable way. Bankruptcy law in the United States provides two primary types for individuals, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Businesses can also file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, which allows for reorganization. When bankruptcy might be the right choice. 1. Overwhelming debt and inability to repay. The most common reason individuals and businesses file for bankruptcy is the inability to repay debts. If you find yourself buried under credit card bills, medical expenses, personal loans, or business debts, and you can no longer meet the minimum payments, bankruptcy might be an option to consider. Bankruptcy can provide relief by either discharging your unsecured debts, such as credit cards, or reorganizing them into a manageable payment plan. 2. Collection agencies and lawsuits threatening you. If you are being harassed by collection agencies or facing lawsuits due to unpaid debts, bankruptcy may stop these actions. Filing for bankruptcy triggers an automatic stay, which halts creditors from pursuing legal actions, garnishing wages, or seizing assets. This protection can provide immediate relief while you work through the bankruptcy process. 3. Foreclosure or repossession risks. In cases where your home is at risk of foreclosure or your car is about to be repossessed due to unpaid debts, filing for bankruptcy can offer protection. Under Chapter 7 bankruptcy, certain exemptions may allow you to keep your home or car if they meet specific criteria. Chapter 13 bankruptcy, on the other hand, provides a structured payment plan that can help you catch up on mortgage or car loan payments and avoid foreclosure or repossession. 4. Medical expenses and sudden life changes. Unexpected life events, such as a severe illness, medical emergency, or a significant loss of income due to job loss, divorce, or other reasons, can put your finances in a precarious situation. If medical bills or emergency expenses have become unmanageable, bankruptcy could be a solution to help you get back on your feet. Medical debt is one of the most common reasons people file for bankruptcy, and Chapter 7 bankruptcy, in particular, can discharge these debts, giving individuals a fresh start. 5. Business debt or overwhelming small business liabilities. For small business owners, bankruptcy may be an appropriate option if business debts exceed assets, and there's no viable way to continue operations. Chapter 11 allows businesses to reorganize their debts while keeping the business running, whereas Chapter 7 may be appropriate if the business needs to be liquidated. For sole proprietors, the decision may also affect personal liabilities, especially if the business and personal finances are commingled. Types of bankruptcy and their implications. 1. Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Liquidation. Chapter 7 is often referred to as liquidation bankruptcy. It is designed for individuals and businesses who are unable to repay their debts and do not have significant assets. In a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, a trustee is appointed to liquidate your non-exempt assets to pay off your creditors. The remaining unsecured debts, like credit cards and medical bills, are generally discharged, meaning you are no longer responsible for repaying them. However, not all debts are dischargeable. Certain debts, such as student loans, child support, and alimony, are typically not eligible for discharge. Additionally, there are certain eligibility requirements, such as passing the means test, which determines whether your income is low enough to qualify for Chapter 7. 2. Chapter 13 Bankruptcy. Reorganization. Chapter 13 bankruptcy is often used by individuals with a regular income who wish to reorganize their debts instead of liquidating their assets. This type of bankruptcy creates a repayment plan that typically lasts between 3 to 5 years. During this period, you'll make monthly payments to a trustee who will distribute the funds to your creditors. At the end of the plan, any remaining eligible debts may be discharged. Chapter 13 is a good option for people who are behind on mortgage or car payments but want to keep their property. It can also help individuals avoid foreclosure or repossession and address tax liabilities. However, the repayment plan requires a stable income and the ability to commit to the monthly payments over several years. The consequences of filing for bankruptcy. While bankruptcy can provide significant relief, it's essential to consider the long-term consequences before making the decision to file. Impact on credit score. Bankruptcy has a lasting impact on your credit report. A Chapter 7 bankruptcy stays on your credit report for up to 10 years, while Chapter 13 remains for 7 years. This can make it difficult to obtain credit in the future, and you may face higher interest rates on loans or credit cards. However, with responsible financial behavior, it's possible to rebuild your credit over time. Loss of property. In Chapter 7 bankruptcy, your non-exempt assets may be sold to repay creditors. This could mean losing valuable possessions, including your home or vehicle, if they don't meet the exemptions outlined in bankruptcy law. Chapter 13 bankruptcy allows you to keep your property but requires you to repay creditors over time. Bankruptcy can be a powerful tool for those in financial distress, but it's not always the best or first solution. While it can offer relief from debt, it comes with consequences that can affect your credit, assets, and future financial opportunities. Before making the decision to file for bankruptcy, it's crucial to thoroughly explore all available options and consult with professionals to ensure it's the right choice for your unique situation. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.